everyone, today we're going to do some roasted cauliflower in the air fryer. It's really easy, has a little bit of seasonings to it. Put it in the air fryer, 15 minutes later, all ready to go. So we'll go ahead and get started. So I have some washed cauliflower and I'm just going to section this up. Once those are pulled off, I'm going to come back through and make sure that they're all fairly uniform in size, just so they cook evenly. Now in a bowl, I'm going to mix together 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon paprika, and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. The recipe calls for, I think it's corn oil. It really doesn't matter what oil you choose. I chose olive oil because our temperature is going to be 400 that we air fried in, so that's still going to be lower than the smoke point. So this should be just fine. So I'll mix this up, and then we'll put our cauliflower in the bowl and give this a mix. Once you have this evenly coated, we're going to transfer it over to either the basket for your air fryer, or I'm going to put mine on a little pan that's foil lined and sprayed with some cooking spray. My air fryer is preheating. Once it gets up to 400 degrees, I'll put my pan with the cauliflower on to roast for 15 minutes, but every 5 minutes I'll stop and give it a stir. Char. Just came out of the air fryer. I think it looks perfect. Really quick, came together in 20 minutes total with cook time. So it smells really, really good and flavorful. And I hope you enjoy your air fried cauliflower.